Today we are going to learn about optimizing ETL processes with data pipeline automation. We'll explore how to implement and optimize automated data pipelines to enhance efficiency and ensure data quality in ETL operations. In the world of data management, ET is short for extract, transform, load is a crucial process. Today, we delve into how automating these processes with data pipelines can revolutionize the way businesses handle data. Automation in ETL processes not only enhances efficiency by reducing manual tasks but also significantly minimizes the scope for errors. This video will guide you through the fundamentals of data pipeline automation, its benefits, and the tools you'll need to successfully implement it. As data-driven decision-making becomes indispensable in industries, mastering these skills will position you at the forefront of technological advancement. Join us as we explore the exciting journey of automating ETL processes.
Automating ETL processes offers a multitude of benefits that can transform how an organization handles data. Firstly, automation significantly increases the efficiency of data processing. With automated systems, what traditionally took hours can now be completed in minutes, freeing up valuable time for data analysts and engineers. Secondly, by minimizing human intervention, automation drastically reduces the potential for manual errors, ensuring more reliable data outcomes. Furthermore, as businesses grow, their data needs scale too. Automated ETL processes are inherently more scalable compared to manual processes, allowing companies to handle larger datasets seamlessly. Enhanced data quality is another critical advantage, as automation ensures consistent data transformation and validation checks are consistently applied. Lastly, the cost savings associated with automation can be substantial. By optimizing resource allocation and improving processing times, businesses can achieve significant financial efficiencies. Choosing the right tools and technologies for automating your ETL processes is a critical step. Begin by evaluating the criteria that are most important for your organization. Consider aspects such as ease of integration with your current systems, scalability, and flexibility of the tool. Popular ETL tools like Apache NiFi, Talend, and AWS Glue offer comprehensive features but differ in terms of user-friendliness, cost, and integration capabilities. It's essential to weigh these factors against your specific needs. For instance, if you're operating within a cloud environment, a cloud-native tool like AWS Glue might offer seamless integration and scaling. Also, consider the long-term costs associated with licensing, maintenance, and potential upgrades. Remember, the goal is to select a tool that not only meets your immediate needs but can also adapt as those needs evolve over time.
Automating data extraction is the first step in streamlining your ETL process. Start by thoroughly understanding the data sources you need to extract from. These could include databases, APIs, or flat files. Once you have a clear understanding, the next step is to configure data connectors that facilitate seamless data extraction. Many ETL tools offer built-in connectors with the ability to create custom ones. Scheduling is a crucial aspect of automation. Set up extraction jobs to run at optimal times, ensuring fresh data is always available without overwhelming your system. It's also imperative to address data security during extraction. Implement robust authentication and encryption methods to protect sensitive data. Lastly, establish error handling mechanisms to manage extraction failures gracefully. This could involve setting up alerts for manual intervention or retrying failed jobs automatically.
Once data is extracted, the next phase is transformation. Automating this process involves defining clear transformation rules that dictate how raw data is converted into a usable format. Utilize data transformation tools that offer a range of functionalities, from simple data cleaning to complex aggregations and joins. Consistency is key in data transformation. Ensure that your transformation logic is consistently applied across all data sets to maintain data integrity. Depending on your needs, decide between real-time and batch transformations. Real-time transformations are suited for time-sensitive data, while batch processing is more efficient for large volumes of data. Testing your transformation logic is crucial to ensure it performs as expected. Regularly validate transform data against expected outcomes to catch any discrepancies early on.
Data loading is the final step in the ETL process, where transformed data is moved to its target storage. The choice of storage bit data warehouses, databases, or data lakes should align with your organization's analytical needs and budget. Implement load balancing techniques to distribute data evenly across storage systems, preventing bottlenecks and ensuring optimal performance. Decide on the loading strategy: incremental loads, which update only the changed data, or full loads, which reload entire datasets. Each has its pros and cons, depending on the data volume and update frequency. Post-loading, conduct thorough data validation to ensure data integrity and accuracy. Finally, monitor load performance metrics to identify any inefficiencies or potential improvements in your loading strategy.
Effective monitoring and maintenance of automated pipelines are essential for sustaining optimal performance. Monitoring allows you to track pipeline health in real time, ensuring any issues are promptly addressed. Set up alerts and notifications for critical events such as job failures or system outages, enabling immediate corrective actions. Regular maintenance schedules are vital to keep your pipelines running smoothly. This includes updating software, cleaning up data, and reviewing pipeline efficiency. Continuously optimize performance by analyzing metrics and making necessary adjustments to your ETL processes. Troubleshooting common issues, such as network delays or data inconsistencies, requires a proactive approach and a robust understanding of your pipeline architecture.
Ensuring data quality is paramount in automated ETL processes. Begin with robust data validation techniques that verify data integrity at each stage of the pipeline. This includes checks for data type, range, and format compliance. Ensuring data completeness is also crucial. Define rules to capture missing or incomplete data, and set up processes to handle these scenarios. Implementing a comprehensive data governance framework helps maintain accountability and standardization across the organization. Regular audits and reviews of your ETL processes ensure compliance with data quality standards and identify areas for improvement. Leverage data quality tools that provide automated profiling, cleansing, and monitoring capabilities to sustain high data quality throughout your pipeline. As we conclude our exploration of optimizing ETL processes through data pipeline automation, it's clear that automation offers significant benefits from increased efficiency and reduced errors to enhance data quality and cost savings. Selecting the right tools and technologies is crucial, as is implementing tailored strategies for each phase: extraction, transformation, and loading. Continuous monitoring and maintenance ensure your pipelines run smoothly and efficiently, adapting to evolving data needs. Finally, a commitment to ensuring data quality is essential for deriving accurate insights and making informed decisions. Armed with these insights, you're well equipped to optimize your ETL processes and drive your organization towards greater data-driven success.